guys, so today is my first video in almost a year. I just wanted to get back on camera, get in the swing of things, and give you an update on what I've been up to, where I'm going, what I'm doing, and just how this last year has been. If you're interested, keep watching. Alright guys, so let's just jump right in. Where have I been for the past year? I think my last video I posted was in December of last year, so it's been almost a full year. I was in the Christmas spirit, I was feeling myself, and then I wasn't. So now my husband and I have since packed up and we have moved to Dallas, Texas. In the last year we have built a house. I know, I'm so excited. So definitely more on the house to come, because we've lived in apartments forever, pretty much. We don't have that much stuff. I'm sure you can hear the echo. It's pretty empty in here. So I do want to, moving forward, I know originally this channel was a lot of makeup tutorials, or at least I was starting to do makeup tutorials. And I mean, I'm still into it, as you can see. I mean, I came to you just so fresh and so clean because this is the situation 90% of my life. So in the spirit of keeping it 100, like this, what you see is what you get. Like, this is it. Moving forward, I do want to do some videos about the house, maybe hauls or decorating or something of that sort. The second thing that has happened since we've moved here is, I don't know if you can tell, I'm sure you can tell, but I've gained like 10 to 12 pounds. Like, thank you, Texas. Like, thank you, Texas. Like, can you tell? Go back and watch my last video and like my cheeks are out of control. So that's something else I want to tackle. I think now that I'm going to be filming and on camera, maybe that will help me be motivated to like get this 10 to 12 pounds off, because I am feeling it. Like, 32 hit me hard. My feet hurt. My knee hurts. My back hurts. Like, my arms are flabby. Like, there's things that need to change. So hopefully now that I'm going to be sharing my life with you guys, like, maybe I will be able to really get it together. That is definitely a goal in this journey moving forward. I want to say last but not least, but definitely not least. Since we've been here, we have found a church and I absolutely love it. We try to go every Sunday. If we don't make it on Sundays, we definitely watch it at home on TV. I do want to incorporate some faith stuff into my channel as well, because it is a big part of my life. Before we left Southern California, I did get baptized at Saddleback, and I mean, it changes everything, right? So it is such a major part of my life. I do want to also have that included in my channel. So I'm thinking about doing a series once a week to where, and I think this is going to help me more than anyone else, which is why I'm doing this. So if you get something out of it, obviously great. But I want to start talking about like what I learned at church and then how I'm going to apply it to my week or to my month or my life or whatever. So I think I'm going to incorporate that into my channel as well. So just a little, I mean, outside of that, which is a lot, everything has been absolutely great. Like, I love Texas. The people here are amazing. It's taken Derek a little bit longer to kind of get used to everything, especially since he works from home. But it's great. So if you want to stick along for this journey and hang out with us and talk to us and just see how we grow in this new chapter of our lives, please subscribe, like the video, and come back for more. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.